forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss transpose of a matrix. The matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix A is called the transpose of matrix A. Transpose of a matrix A is denoted by A' or A raised to the power capital T. For example, let A is equal to 2, minus 3, 5, 7, 3, 8. This is 2 by 3 matrix. Number of rows 2 and number of columns 3. Then transpose of A is denoted by A'. Just interchanging its rows and column. This is column 1. Write in place of row 1, 2, 7. Second column, minus 3, 3. Write in place of R2. This is column 3. Write in place of row 3. Or vice versa, we can say write R1 in place of C1. 2 minus 3, 5, 2 minus 3, 5. Or R2 in place of C2. And this is 3 by 2 matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. Number 1, transpose of A transpose is equal to again A. Second, A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. We can apply this formula for minus sign also. A minus B dash equal to A dash minus B dash. Any scalar into matrix A, transpose of any scalar into matrix A is equal to K into A dash. And fourth one is very important. Transpose of product of two matrices is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. And fifth one, if A is a matrix of element Aij and M cross N, then transpose of A is a matrix of element Aij and order N cross M. Sorry, Aj. Next point, symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if and only if transpose of A is equal to A or element of ith row and jth column is equal to element of jth row and ith column. For example, let A equal to 2, minus 3, 4, minus 3, 5, 6, 4, 6, 7. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Now since transpose of A is equal to, this is R1, write in place of column 1, 2 minus 3, 4. R2, write in place of C2, minus 3, 5, 6, and write R3 in place of C3, 4, 4, 6, 7. This is again 3 by 3 matrix. Now observe, each element of A dash is equal to corresponding elements of A, means both matrices are equal. So transpose of A is equal to A. Therefore, A is symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if and only if transpose of A is equal to minus A. Or we can also write element of ith and jth column equal to minus element of jth and ith column. For example, let A is equal to 0, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 4, 3, minus 4, 0. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Since transpose of A is equal to R1, R2, R3. Now write row 1 in place of column 1, 0, 2, minus 3. Now write R2 in place of column 2, minus 2, 0, 4. Write R3 in place of C3, 3, minus 4, 0. Taking common minus 1 from this matrix. So minus 1 outside minus sign, and sign will be changed. 0, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 4, 3, minus 4, 0. Again we get 3 by 3 matrix. And now see, each element of this matrix is equal to matrix A. So this is minus A. A dash equal to minus A. Therefore, A is skew symmetric matrix. We can say A is skew symmetric matrix by observation also. Diagonal elements are 0 and element of ith and jth column equal to element of jth and ith column with minus sign. 2, minus 2, minus 3, 3, 4, minus 4. So this matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Theorem 1. All the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. Proof. Let since A is skew symmetric matrix, then element of ith and jth column equal to minus element of jth and ith column. Putting I equal to j, so we get ai equal to minus aii is equal to 2 times aii, means element of ith and ith column equal to 0. 2 not equal to 0 means element of ith and ith column equal to 0. That is, replace I by 1, so a11 0, replace I by 2, a22 equal to 0, a33 equal to 0, means each diagonal element of matrix is 0. Next term, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Let A be the square matrix then we can write A is equal to half A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. Yes or no? When we simplify, open the bracket. So 1 by 2A plus 1 by 2A equal to A, or 1 by 2 A dash minus 1 by 2 A dash cancel. So A equal to A. So we can write this equal to this. Now let us consider Q name. Let this matrix is P and this matrix is Q. Means we have to show P is symmetric matrix and Q is symmetric matrix. Now start. Since P dash equal to means P equal to this. So 1 by 2 A plus A dash whole dash is equal to, next step we can write 1 by 2 A plus A dash by this property. Since any constant into matrix A, transpose of any scalar into matrix A equal to K into A dash. So let us consider A plus A dash is a single matrix, means scalar into matrix, so dash. Next step 1 by 2, this time apply this property, A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So A transpose plus transpose of A. Next step 1 by 2 A dash plus transpose of A equal to A. Transpose of A is equal to A. Properties of transpose of matrix. With respect to addition, matrices are commutative. So A dash plus A, we can write A plus A dash. And this is equal to P. Because this matrix is P, so P dash equal to P. Therefore, P is symmetric matrix. Now Q dash is equal to 1 by 2 A minus A dash whole dash is equal to, by same property first we can write 1 by 2 A minus A dash whole dash. Then again apply this property. We can apply this property for plus or minus sign both. So A dash minus complement of A dash. Next step, same property, 1 by 2 A dash minus A. Taking minus sign common, so we get 1 by 2 A minus A dash is equal to Q. Q dash equal to minus Q. Therefore, Q is skew symmetric matrix. P is symmetric matrix, Q is skew symmetric matrix. Means A is sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, A is equal to symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. Let's do some problems. If A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is symmetric matrix. Means we have to show transpose of this matrix is equal to itself. Since A and B are symmetric matrices, therefore transpose of A equal to A and transpose of B equal to B. Let P equal to AB minus BA for convenience. Since transpose of P means transpose of AB minus BA. AB is a single, let us consider AB is a single matrix and BA is a single matrix. So apply formula AB dash minus BA dash. This formula A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is applicable for both plus and minus sign. Now AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose minus BA equal to A transpose into B transpose. Use this formula. Transpose of AB equal to B transpose into A transpose. B dash equal to B and A dash equal to A. So in place of B dash write B and in place of A dash write A. In place of A dash write A. In place of B dash write B. Taking minus sign common. So we get AB minus BA. This is BA minus AB. So AB minus BA. And this is equal to P. So P dash equal to minus P. Therefore P is skew symmetric matrix. Next problem. Express the matrix A equal to this as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. First, find A dash means transpose of matrix A. To obtain transpose of matrix A, we just interchange row and column. 3 3 minus 1 in row 1, write in column 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. Now let us consider two matrices P and Q. Let P is equal to half A plus A dash is equal to half A plus A dash. Tell me A plus A dash. This is A or this is A dash. So 3 plus 3 6. 3 minus 2 1. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. 3 minus 2 1. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Minus 5 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. 1 minus 5 minus 4. And 2 plus 2 4. Please take care during addition. You can cross check also. 3 or 3 6. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 4 minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4 and 4. Otherwise whole question is wrong. Now find P dash. P dash equal to 1 by 2 constant scalar. So scalar outside and dash of this matrix. Transpose of this 6 1 minus 5 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 4. Just see we can get same matrix. So P dash equal to this equal to P. Therefore P is symmetric matrix. Now consider another matrix Q. Let Q equal to half A minus A dash is equal to half A minus A dash. This is matrix A, this is A dash. So 3 minus 3 0. 3 minus minus 2 5. Minus 1 plus 4 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus minus 5 6. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 and 2 minus 2 0. Now find Q dash. Q dash is equal to again scalar into matrix. So transpose of scalar into matrix equal to scalar as it is and transpose of matrix. So write 0, 5, 3 minus 5, 0, 6 minus 3 minus 6, 0. Now taking minus sign common. 0, 5, 3 minus 5, 0, 6 minus 3 minus 6, 0. This is equal to q. So minus q. Q dash equal to minus q. Therefore q is skew symmetric matrix. Now P plus Q is equal to P equal to this 1 by 2 6 1 minus 5 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 4 plus Q 1 by 2 0 minus 5 minus 3 5 0 minus 6 3 6 0. Next step. Divide each term by 2. 6 by 2 3 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 plus 2. Divide this term by 2. 0 5 by 2 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 0 3 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 or 0. Now add 3 plus 0 3 half plus 5 by 2 3 minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 1 or minus 5 by 2 minus 4 by 2 means minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 3 1 minus 5 or this minus 8 by 2 minus 4 minus 5 and plus 2 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2 is equal to matrix A. Means A is sum of P plus Q, where P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric matrix. Hence proved. Thank you. Have a nice day.